Next question. Okay, I want you to try this one out. It's a very good question. I'll give you a hint. Okay, you have been given different conditions clubbed into one, sandwiched into one. Okay, you have to separate them. Okay, and then solve that accordingly. Okay, please pause the video and try it out, guys. Okay, so let's solve this one. What we will do is we'll try to they are all basically chained together. Okay, all the conditions are chained together. We'll try to unchain everything now. We'll try to break everything separately. Okay, so we focus on the first statement, 0 less than equal to y. Okay, and guys, y is less than equal to x. That means x definitely also is greater than equal to 0. So we take the first two conditions, 0 less than equal to y and 0 less than equal to x. Okay, this tells us, guys, that x and y both are non-negative, means they are either 0 or they are positive, right? Either 0 or positive, 0 or greater than that. Okay, that means your final graph will be plotted only in the first quadrant, where both x and y are going to be positive, non-negative rather. Okay, so this is what I get from the first piece of information. Okay, the next piece of information, guys, y less than equal to x. Okay, now y less than equal to x के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, guys? Again, our limiting condition, y should be equal to x. उसके लिए क्या लाइन बनेगी? x 0, तो y भी 0 होगा, x अगर 1 है y भी 1 होगा, right? So we can draw this line, y is equal to x. Okay, okay, guys, similarly we know that when y is less than equal to x, okay, the answer will be either this line or the region below this line. I'm not shading everything because it will become really very cumbersome when we solve it together. Now going on to the next condition, guys, you can spot the next condition, x less than equal to 3y, this one, right? Okay, when we plot this, we take the value of x as 0, y be 0 aega. Okay, and if you take x as 3, y kya ho jayega? 1 ho jayega. Okay, you can also do the reverse. You can put values of y as 0, you get x as 0, you put y as 1, x kya ho jayega? 3. Okay, plotting this, you get y is equal to x by 3 ka graph like this. Okay, straight line like this. But here you want x to be less than equal to 3y, right? Or you want y to be greater than equal to x by 3. On this line, guys, y is equal to x by 3. So अब हमें इस line के ऊपर वाला region चाहिए होगा, right? Okay, तो अब तक what did we get, guys? अब तक we got the region which is below this line, y is equal to x, and the region which is above this line, x is equal to y is equal to x by 3. Okay, so if you combine these two conditions right now, okay, your answer will lie somewhere over here in this region, right? Are you understanding this, guys? But now we also need to take care of one more condition, and that is 3y is less than equal to 6, the very last condition given in the question. Okay, if you can simplify this, this will simply be equal to y less than equal to 2, dividing by 3 on both sides. Okay, इसके लिए हम, guys, limiting condition क्या लेंगे? Y should be equal to 2. But guys, the question demands that y should be less than equal to 2. इसका मतलब you want this line, okay, you want this line also, and the region below this line. Are we getting this? So we now get rid of everything, okay, and we just make note of this particular part. This particular part should be the required answer, which is common to all these three, right? Can you observe this triangle being formed, guys? This is the required answer.